Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for checking in. So today I just want to talk to you real quickly about the Tusk aluminum sprockets that we have that will fit Segway, Talaria, and Sur-Ron. If you have one of those bikes and you're looking to make a gearing change, well, Tusk has good options for you. There's a 48 tooth, a 54, and a 58. These are made from a 7075 T6 aluminum, black anodized finish. They look awesome. They're heat treated for durability, and they're also very lightweight. Now, the real question is, what size sprocket do you think is going to be best for you? Because we know that gearing is a very popular upgrade and change that riders like to make. And it really just depends on the type of riding that you're going to be doing. If you are out there riding and you're mostly on the streets and you like the faster speeds, you don't want to give up any of that, you go with the 48-2 sprocket. Now for riders that spend a lot of time off-road, maybe going up steeper hills, and you're looking for fast acceleration, but you're willing to give up some of that top-end speed, a lot of riders will jump all the way up to a 58-2 sprocket. Now, if you want to be kind of just somewhere in the middle, or maybe riding on the streets, also doing some off-road riding, then you could go right there with the 54-2 sprocket. One thing you do want to keep in mind is that if you bump all the way up to a 58 tooth, you're going to need a longer chain for that. So you're going to need a 420 by 112 chain. We also have those available on our website. So again, Tusk sprockets, high quality, 3 different size options for you depending on what you're looking for. And make sure to subscribe to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, because not only do we have sprockets, we have a lot of other great parts and accessories for those bikes. And stay tuned, because we got other stuff coming like tires and other great accessories. So subscribe to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel so you never miss out on product spotlight videos. To grab your new sprocket today and see the other accessories that we have, click the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. We ship for free over 75 bucks. And please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.